Today we're fitting the Synergy tuning box for diesels. This is for the Freelander TD4 2-litre engine, also applicable to the Rover 75 MGZT and the BMW 2-litre engine. So we have got a new Pierburg more reliable MAF sensor, mass airflow sensor in here. This replaces the Bosch one. If you fit the Pierburg MAF, you have to have the Synergy2 tuning box, and the cabling and so on to connect to the fuel rail sensor. We have a nice kit of parts with the necessary socket bits, some velcros and some cable ties, all the little tools and things that you need for the job, which is quite nice. A nice set of printed instructions, and yeah, it connects to the fuel rail cable, and the MAF, and that's the only connections you need. Seems relatively straightforward. Let's get on with it. So we need to connect to the fuel rail sensor, which is here, and it comes off. As you can see, I've removed this whole bit of inlet ducting, which just comes off with a couple of bolts or so. Take off the fuel sensor by squeezing in at the end and give it a pull. And this is where our connector connects to. The other thing we connect to is the MAF sensor, so I have to take off the air filter cover, which has to be removed by undoing these hex-headed bolts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and for that we need a long hex key like this, or some bits that will do the same as a screwdriver. Here is the MAF sensor, and it's held in with these special screws for which you need this sort of bit, and that is called a TS25H. And so you just need to undo these. So, and it's just the two, and then the MAF sensor pulls out and you can change it. So it's useful if you want to change the MAF without removing the air filter cover, to grind back this bit of plastic like I've done here. It doesn't do any harm, it just exposes the MAF to make it easier to get to. You can remove the air filter cover without removing the inlet manifold. Just need to prise it with a bit of manoeuvring off this piece. And don't forget to take the oil filler cap off as well in the process. This is just refitted. So here's the Pierburg mass airflow sensor. Try and keep your fingers off that metal plate, which is where it does the flow sensing. Here's all the cabling that comes with it. And here is our Synergy tuning box, Synergy2. So these are the fuel rail plugs. So one end of the cable goes into the fuel rail. Make sure it goes all the way home, so the clip goes over that little notch. You need to keep the wiring away from this exhaust recirculation pipe. Tie it up with the supplied cable ties. This socket plugs into the original plug as well, of course. Then it's just a matter of picking your settings for enabling it, and enabling different economy or power settings, which will cover the instructions. That's how to fit your tuning kit. Good luck with yours.